So this is our Burke, and it's our virtual reality simulator, and it's here you start, and it tells you, hey, this is your mission. That we're gonna go through a seal extraction for your mission. You're gonna come here. You're gonna put the headset on, the vibrating vest, and then you go through the whole mission with the Navy SEAL extraction. And at the end over here, you get to find out more information about our Navy careers. And everybody that completes the mission leaves with a set of dog tags.
Say anything about this experience that you hope to get?
I'm hoping to learn about the Navy, its opportunities. I'm going to the National Guard. I'm going to enlist as a combat medic, leaving in about the end of September.